Hello and welcome to this tutorial about the cross-member functionality in the SOFiSTiK Bridge and Infrastructure Modeler in Revit. What is a cross-member? A cross-member can be any three-dimensional volume which is placed along an axis alignment. In this case, you can also see that this cross beam is placed in an interval along the axis, more specifically in an interval of 2.5 meters. Additionally, cross members can also consider longitudinal effects along the axis, like these longitudinal beams. Of course, additionally, all the rest of the structure can still be placed along the axis following multiple variables and secondary axes. The family used to create these cross members is the metric generic model adaptive family in Revit. To create any kind of cross member, you can consider 1, 2 or 3 adaptive points within this family. In addition to the intervals along the axis, the cross member can also consider variables and secondary axes for the development of the section along the axis as well. In the course of this training series, I will show you how to create 3 typical cases for cross members in SOFiSTiK Bridge and Infrastructure Modeler and how to create the families for them. I will start with the most typical version, which is the cross beam with 1 adaptive point which will be placed along the axis, including variation. The second video will be about the diagonal beam, which varies in addition to the interval along the axis via secondary axes and variables. And last but not least, I will show you how to create a tunnel segment that reads specific variables directly from the axis alignment for perfect geometries.